So many fantastic neighborhoods here in Kirkland, but what makes Weston Market great is your proximity to the lake and your proximity to downtown Kirkland. Just walking distance to the restaurants, the coffee shops, and this offering behind me is a special one with 2 homes. So the main home is comprised of 3,600 square feet. In the back house, 600 square feet, single bedroom above a 3-car garage. And on top of that, this home's been updated inside and out. It's time to go take a look. So this has got to be my favorite part of the home. This oversized covered balcony here. 3 French doors from the main level living leading out to this. And the best part about it is the water view of Lake Washington.